Good day, viewers. You are welcome to Lawrence Video Graphics. Today, I will be teaching us how to make business flyers. You can make flyers for your businesses, different forms of flyers. Take for instance, I get involved in telecom business. I get involved in graphic design, so I can actually try to make a design for graphics design and make another flyer for my telecom business. So I will be teaching you how to design flyers. Now open your Canva, go to your Canva. We'll be using Canva for this. Now go to your Canva. This is my Canva here. So I click on my Canva, then I go here to search for go to this plus. Don't do it this way. Go to this plus, click on this plus anytime you want to search for something. Now restaurants, let's say flyers for restaurant. Now once you click it, bring restaurant flyer. Can you see it here? Now you click it. Once you click, it will actually bring you different forms of flyers. Now when it brings it, you search and look for the one you would prefer to design. Now let's take a look at it. Which one? Okay, let me choose this one. I'll pick this. Now good. Now how do I design this now? Let me take a look at this one. Let me delete it. I don't need it. That's not my logo. Now what are those things I need to change here? Order. Now this one is good. This one here is good. I also like these ones. Now we have delicious food. Now yummy delicious saffron. That's not my own name. Now let me change it and put the name of my own restaurant, which I call Lawrence Delicious. And okay, that is good. If I don't like the way, okay, it makes sense this way. Now what's next? About food. Delicious and savory delicious food with premium quality ingredients. Now let me change this number. This is not my number. Now I will change it to my number, which is 2348144035715. Now that is my number. I've changed it already. Now what else do I need? I need address. Now click this plus button here. Now click the plus button, go to text. This is text. Go to text. Now click address. Click this add a heading. By clicking it, now edit by writing address. Now drag it, bring it down here. Now let's reduce the fonts. The font size should be reduced. Now let me try to put it here. Okay, let me increase the fonts a little bit. Okay, I think it's good. Now let me go to this plus again to add my address. Alright, let me say Bingo Street, Ile Ife, Osun State. Now let me go and change the font. Let me try to reduce it. Now let me bring it down here. Okay, let me bring it down a little bit. This thing should be here. Why this one will also move down? Let's try good, but this one is too. Let me try to reduce it again. Okay, that is good. Now let me try to drag it. Let me use notch. This is notch here. Now let me bring it here. Okay, let me bring it up a little bit. Good, this is good. Now what's next? I need my own logo. Okay, now I will be teaching us how to make logo on my next video, how to make different kinds of logos. Now but here, now let me just go and bring my own logo. Now I will click here. Once I click, I will go to gallery. Look at this place, just click gallery. Now where that your logo is located, that your logo where it's located, you just go there and bring the logo out. This is logo, this is the one I'm going to use. So add to page, add to page, then if you bring it, this is my logo, this is my logo, this is my logo. Okay, let me try and drag it. This is my logo. Good. This is how I want my own distance to be. Okay. Okay, I think it's making sense. It's making sense. Now this is my logo. This is how I want it to be. Now can you see this is, now let me check if there's any mistake. Order now, delicious food, parents delicious and savory, about food now, delicious and savory, delicious food with premium quality ingredients. Okay, delicious and no. Free delicious food with, okay, I think this, let me try to reduce this size. Okay, 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 let me do it this way. Now this one, let me move it a bit. Okay, so okay, I like it this way. I like it this way. And if you have any other thing to add, you just click this plus button, just the way I did this. So just the way I did this address and co. So you could add so many things, as many as possible. So thank you very much. Thank you. Now when you want to save it, what you do is you go to this place, click, it's either you click this first one or you click this second one. You could save this design, you could save it here and you could also save it here. Now let me make use of this one. I'll save it here, go to download. At the same time you see download here, click it again. Now preparing your design, making the magic happen. So once it's done, you would be notified. You will know now it's done, saved to gallery. Now that is it. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you get updated anytime new videos are released. Okay, so that's how to design that that of restaurant flyer. Now let me design an engineering flyer. Let's design an engineering flyer. Here you search for it here, engineering flyer, search for it from this side. Now you wait for it to respond. So it has responded. What do? You try checking the ones you would prefer. Okay, there was one I added to this page. Let me check so that we wouldn't waste time. Okay, this is it. I added this one to this page while I was checking through so that this one wouldn't waste our time. So just try to choose your choice. Now, how do you design this one now? What do? What are the things you need to change? You need to change the logo, you need to change the number, then you need to change this thing as well. Now let's start from here. You edit it by writing what is that thing you would like to write. What's that thing you would like to write? Let's just reason. Now let's say we want to write we offer full support. Okay, we offer full support in the development of preliminary design, then that is could be in form of architectural work. So architectural and technological okay, and technological, that one. Preliminary designs, that is architectural and technological, as well as construction projects, construction projects. Okay, let's take a look at it very well. I think we are moving. Okay, let me drag it and check if it fits in here. We offer full support in the development of preliminary designs, architectural and technological, as well as construction projects. Okay, let me try to bring this one here because there's supposed to be a space between the two. Okay, good. Now let me change the number here, then input my own number 2348144035715. Okay, put this one here. So that is it. Now necessary precaution, let me look at this one. Necessary precautions in order to render our work environment. Description, limit flooring. Okay, let's try to limit flooring, house renovation, metal roofing, architecture, general contracting. Actually, whenever you want to design for your clients will actually provide everything you would need for you. They will provide you what you would have to write, not you racking your brain. So they will give you what to write. So it is just for you to arrange. So now that we are just racking our brain, how do we go about this one? I'm not an engineer, so how will I know what to write? So we are just trying. So I'm using this one just to teach us. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is your logo. This is where logo should be, and this thing here. So let me delete this one. I don't want it. This your logo. Let me delete it. They are just That one is just to show us that something must be there. Now I have my logo already. Let me say my client has already given me my own logo. Now I would actually provide backgrounds and different images you could use for your designs. I will actually provide them for you, so just don't worry. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Then when I see that you subscribe, I will actually provide everything. Just ask me and I will provide for you. Just ask me, I'll provide everything. Put everything. And now look for it. Let's look at this one. See if okay, let me say I want to use this one. Let's say this one is my, let's say this is my let's say this is my, okay, sorry. So when you make mistakes, this is where you go to. This is do, okay, then you click. This is, okay, again, let's try to drag this. Civil engineer. Now use notch. If this is giving you issue, use notch. Let's use notch to do this. Now let me go and reduce it. Let me go to font size. What is it? Sorry, this is not what is it called? This is not and okay, reduce the size here. Just try to reduce the size, then go to notch to position it well. Okay, let me reduce the size again. Okay, now let me position it well. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, let's say this is my logo. I mean, this is the logo of that company. Okay, now let me check, where am I making mistakes? Is there any place I'm making mistakes? No place to make it. Now let's say you want to change this color. So everything you need is here. Everything you need is actually here. So I'm just using this one to teach us, so just to introduce us to you so that you know how to design your own. It's a very simple thing. Now to add image, you can always go here, then you see gallery, you can see all these ones here. Just which one do you want to apply? Gallery, want to apply, is it text? You click text. So what is the name of this? Builder team construction. Okay, let's change this name from builder team construction to Lawrence. Okay, some people will say, why do you like using Lawrence? Because that's my name. Now this is font size. Let me reduce this size. Okay, let me reduce this size here. Let me bring it here. You could actually change the color if you like, so but white is very good in this. So let's say peradventure you want to change the color. Now as you've clicked on it, just go to this place. This is color. Just click color and choose any of the colors you would actually prefer. Let's say I've chosen that one. Now that is it. So what else do I need to do? I think it's okay like this. Now you go here to save it, then you get it saved, then you click this, download, then you download. This one is it download with Canva Pro? This one, no. Okay, let's go to this second one, download a draft. Said preparing. No, I think it's perfect like this. Now did you know that Canva has some designs you wouldn't be able to have access to? You have to pay them before you make use of such designs, but there's an alternative to it. What's the alternative? You would purchase a pro version. A pro version of any app is a version that doesn't have any form of restrictions. So you could use such app anyhow you want to use it. You could use it. You wouldn't be restricted to some things, and such app wouldn't have watermark. That is a pro version of any app. So you have to pay them in order to get such app. But you know what? I will surely give you pro versions of any app if you could subscribe, like, and comment. I will surely give you. I will send it to you. I'll send it to you. Thank you very much. See you in my next class. Good.